Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS-CoV) and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS-CoV). Hi, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Coronaviruses are circulating in animals, and some of these coronaviruses have the capability of transmitting between animals and humans. Common signs of infection include respiratory symptoms, fever, cough, shortness of breath and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure and even death. Until any official declaration about the vaccine of coronavirus, we should prevent it ourselves by being a bit more awareness. Always use mask if you will go to any public place or a crowded place. Recommend mask for coronavirus is N95. But remember that hand wash is more important than mask in this case. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after going to the bathroom, before eating, and after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Always wash hands with soap and water if hands are visibly dirty. Avoid touching your mouth, nose, or eyes. Ways to protect yourself against a potential animal source would be to avoid unnecessary and unprotected contact with live animals, and to make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly after contact with animals, and also to make sure your meat is cooked thoroughly before consuming. There is currently no vaccine or specific treatment for COVID-19. Symptoms of a coronavirus usually go away on their own. As with a cold or the flu, drink fluids and get plenty of rest. If you are having trouble breathing, seek immediate medical care. Remember that most attacked person with this virus was already healed. So don't be afraid and try to maintain the prevention guide. Hope we will get rid of this curse. Thank you for watching the video. Comment below your opinion about the video.